guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an 8 Saints video. I did work with this brand about a month ago and they decided to send me some more products to try out. So here we go with more products. So the first item up is the All-In Eye Cream, Seeking C Vitamin C Serum, and the Down to Earth Cleanser. So let's start by opening up this one. It's all sealed. This is an eye cream, so it doesn't take a lot. You would literally just take a finger dab and then dab it around your eyes. And this is the Vitamin C Serum. And this is the face wash. It comes in a pump. Okay, so it is more of like a gel consistency. Now, if you saw last month's video, I shared 3 products with you and they were for your face, body, and hands specifically. So this go round, I did a little research and I found their evening routine. Since they allowed me to choose 3 more products, I decided to choose the evening routine because I already had one of their products, the Up the Ante Moisturizer, which with all 3 of these and the moisturizer, that is their 4-step evening routine. So now I have the full collection for their evening routine, starting with the face wash, then the vitamin C serum, then the moisturizer that is in the cabinet, and then ending it with the eye cream. I think this is going to be a great nighttime routine, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's go remove all the makeup and put this evening routine to the test.